Hi everyone! Good afternoon for today's video. Mag-unbox kami ng bago naming materials na vacuum na in-order ni Daddy sa what's online is it? Ozone. Let's go. Ayan na, binubuksan na ni Daddy. Daddy is so excited than me. Whoa! What's that, Nicole? Yeah, Daddy is more excited. Ano to? Oh, dalawang ano. Nose, what do you call this, love? Pangpalit. Oh, nose to nose. Ito naman is, syempre, yung catalog. Ay, I think this is the warranty. Oh, warranty card. Ayan. Ito. May vacuum na kami. Sa ano, lilipatan namin. Excited si Daddy. Oh. They give you discount? Yeah. Ah, good. How much is it? Instead of, how much the original price? To something? And then now, 1.5. Wow, good. Great offer. Oh, small one, huh? But in the video, they showing it is little bit bigger. That's good. So we can try here. Why you not tell me direct that it will arrive today? Better I did not vacuum today. Mom, right? Better I did not clean today. At least I at least we can try here. Catalog. It is a catalog. See? G. JVC. Ganda siya. Kahit paano. Ayan na. Meron din siyang ano, warranty. 1 year warranty lang? Or what? Yes, good. Warranty. So, let's begin. Ito namang isa, excited. It's not a toy. It's not a toy. Excited, oh. And then you also record this. Ayan. Not bad. It's nice. Oh, sige. Oo, siya pa na unang mag... Not bad. Nice. Can I try? Out of curiosity of Nicole, you wanna try? Maganda naman siya.
Нормально, потом эту нажимаешь, это выскакивает. Да, чистишь, и все. Оп, да, вот так, да. Хорошо.
A few moments later.
Touch. Hi everyone, good morning. Ito pala yung bagong ano ni sir namin, vacuum cleaner. So let's try it. Yan, try na natin to. 5 meters ang haba ng wire. So let's do this. Ang gano'ng kaganda. So let's do this. Ano kaya to? Para saan kaya to? Walang. Wow. Maliit lang siya, pero okay na. Kahit pa paano. Lightweight lang. Maganda siya gamitin, tapos basta maganda siya, mas ano, comfortable siya sa yung ginagamit namin na dati sa Qatar na malaki. Nakakakuha naman ng ano, mga madudumi, mga cut hairs, ganon. Okay naman kahit paano. Sanay ako sa ano, malalaking vacuum. Ngayon na ako nagkaroon ng maliit na vacuum cleaner. In fairness, nakakalinis siya, maganda siya. Makikita nyo, ito nyo agad dito yung dumi. Ayun, masyado atang close up. Ayun o. Eh, mga cat hair, ayan, mga alikabok. Ganda siya, in fairness. Highly recommended.
Meanwhile,
Hi everyone! Good afternoon! Mag-unbox kami for today's video ng ito. So, let's Nicole open it. Wow! What is that, Nicole? Wow! What is that? Daddy has present for Mama. Okay, let's check it out.